In this video, I will show you step by step how to install and run Ubuntu 24.04 on Windows 11 with GUI using WSL. We will start by enabling Windows Subsystem for Linux and show you how to download and install Ubuntu 24.04. Additionally, I will show you how to run Linux GUI applications natively alongside Windows 11. By the end of this video, you will be able to unlock the potential of WSL, enabling you to run a full Ubuntu desktop environment and access it through XRDP. This indeed provides the seamless desktop experience. Before setting up WSL, if your computer has a dedicated GPU like NVIDIA or AMD, it's recommended to install the latest drivers to enable GPU acceleration. To use WSL, make sure you have enabled the hardware virtualization feature. Now, by default, this feature is enabled on most computers. If it's not enabled, you need to head over to BIOS settings and look for Intel VT-D, AMD-V, or SVM feature and enable it. To verify the hardware virtualization on your Windows computer, open Task Manager, select the CPU tab, and check the virtualization status. In my case, it's enabled, so we are good to go. Then open the search bar, type Turn Windows Features, and select this option. Look for the virtual machine platform and enable it. Then look for the Windows Subsystem for Linux and enable it. Now click Apply to turn on these features and reboot your Windows computer to apply the changes. The first thing to do after rebooting is to right-click on the desktop, open the terminal, and type the following command to update the WSL to the latest version. Once done, type WSL-version to see the version information of WSL, WSLG, and Linux kernel. It's time to install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. First, let me clear the console by typing CLS. Now, if you type WSL, you will see that there are no installed Linux distributions. To list available Linux distros, type WSL-list-online. You will see a list of distros you can install through WSL. Look for Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and install it by typing WSL-install-D to specify the distro name. And for this video, we're installing Ubuntu 24.04. Press Enter to start the Ubuntu installation. Now, this may take some time depending on your internet connection speed. Now, once it's done, go ahead and enter the username. Make sure to type in lowercase and then set a password. Now, keep in mind, when you are typing a password, it will not be displayed for security reasons. Voila! Now you can see the prompt has changed and we're inside the Ubuntu Bash environment. Now you will see it runs the latest Ubuntu 24.04. Let me go ahead and close the terminal. The great thing about running Ubuntu on Windows 11 using WSL is that you can run the Ubuntu Bash directly by searching for it in the Start menu. If you open the Start menu, Ubuntu is available as a part of the Windows application. You can also type WSL in the search bar to access the Bash environment. This is a CLI version of Ubuntu, and you can use it to run servers like Casa OS, Umbrella, and many more. You go ahead and type the following command to update Ubuntu. Using apt, you can install packages like NeoFetch or HTOP. And you can see they work fine. Now let's try running Linux GUI applications. I'm going to type the following command to install some graphic-intensive applications like GIMP, Blender, Kdenlive, and Krita. As you can see, if I execute GIMP, it uses GPU to render the user interface and loads much faster than ever before. The same goes with Kdenlive, Blender, and Krita. Now all these powerful GUI applications open instantly without any issues. This is incredible. I'm really impressed with the WSLG performance on Windows 11. It's getting much better. To see the list of Linux GUI applications, open the Start menu and you will see a new Ubuntu group has been created. Inside this group, you will see all the installed applications. You can even pin them to the taskbar. This way, you can run Linux applications alongside Windows apps seamlessly. WSLG also supports running Flatpak applications. To set up Flatpak, type the following command inside the Ubuntu Bash environment. Then run this command with sudo to set up a FlatHub repository. To install Flatpak applications, you must be a root user. So type this command to switch to the root user. Let's try installing a Flatpak application named Resources by running this command. To run, use Flatpak, run and paste the application ID. For some reason, apps installed through Flatpak cannot be shown on the Windows Start menu. Only applications downloaded through apt or installed as deb packages are available from the Start menu. As a bonus part of this video, let's set up a GUI desktop environment for Ubuntu. We're going to install XFCE, which is a lightweight graphical user interface. You can install GNOME, but it may not work as intended. To set up the XFCE desktop, open the Ubuntu Bash and run this command to fully update Ubuntu. Then type this command to install XFCE desktop. You will get a prompt to choose the login manager. Now choose Lite DM. Now once it's done, type this command to install the XRDP server. Then back up the default XRDP configuration file. Follow the instructions from the link in the description to finish configuring XRDP by pasting these commands. Then type this command to configure the window manager. Now go ahead and comment out the following lines by adding a hash at the beginning of each statement. And add the statement at the bottom. Then save the changes by pressing Ctrl+O and Ctrl+X to exit. Then type this command to start XRDP. Now open the Start menu, search for Remote Desktop Connection, and open this program. Now type localhost and use the port number either 3389 or 3390, then click on Connect. Now enter your username and password to log in into the XFCE desktop environment. This is a lightweight desktop and is very responsive. As you can see, I can open all the Linux GUI applications that we installed earlier. If you shut down WSL or restart the Windows 11 computer to access the XFCE desktop through XRDP, make sure the Ubuntu Bash environment is running in the background. Now, otherwise, you may get an error and won't be able to use the remote desktop connection. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS on Windows 11 using WSL. With the help of WSLG, you can easily run Linux desktop and GUI applications. So what do you guys think about it? If you have any questions or queries, do post them in the comments. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.